Today we're in Prague in the Czech Republic. So as I mentioned in the previous video in the vlog, this is right in front of the Palladium in Prague. This is the afternoon of our first day in the city. We sort of stumbled across whatever this is going on out here in front of the Palladium. But we're actually going to head over to Kadva in a minute, which is like this big department store, to try to find a piece of luggage. So unfortunately, I didn't get any video inside the store, which I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. So we end up finding the luggage we're looking for in there. And then, of course, once you buy something like that, you got to kind of go back to the hotel and drop it off, because you don't want to be milling around the city with, with a big piece of luggage with you. So we've got our luggage. We are sitting here waiting for our Uber driver to pick us up, which is him, I think, there in the black car. And thankfully, Uber is a thing in the Czech Republic, because in Germany it's not. So here we are taking the Uber back over to the hotel to drop off the luggage. So I'm going to give you a little pro tip here. If you're planning a trip like this, if you're anything like us, you're going to want to try to do as much preparation as you can ahead of time. And so what I did is I took a look at where our hotel is, and I took a look at things around the hotel that were within walking distance. I looked at things that were down in the core of the hotel, of the city, to where we could leave the hotel, take a train back to that area, and then walk around, which is kind of what we're doing here. We've dropped off the luggage. We're now walking back up to the Flora Metro station, and we're heading back into the city, basically to kind of mill around some more, have dinner, etc. So you can kind of tell it's starting to get late in the afternoon here. So you have to have all of your plans kind of set in terms of like, well, we can go here, we can go here, we can go here, we can go here, this area of town, because once you get on the ground and you're in, your city where you're going, for the trip and everything, it's just the time is ticking. Like a trip like this, we only had 2.5 days in Prague, and then it was time to head to Berlin. There's only so much time, so many places to go and to see and so on. So you have to kind of have an idea ahead of time, and maps and printouts, whatever it is you have to do, of the things you can do, the places you can go, etc. And then once you're on the ground, then it's like, well, we could go here, or you might be walking along and all of a sudden just see something that you want to do. So you have to kind of have like a backup just in case, like a standby. So here we are, the Flora Metro. This thing is huge, and I think if I remember correctly, we ended up going down the wrong area. The metro stations start to run together after the fact now, but I remember one of these metro stations, we went the wrong way and had to come back up and go a different way to find the right line that we needed to be on, depending on where we were trying to go. So a little bit of fun trying to navigate the metro stations when you're not used to them.
Feel that breeze. You got a picture of this sign over there. You got video? We're at the Flora station right now.
If you are enjoying the video so far, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever a new video is posted.
Is the last stop on that line, so that's up there, that's the one we're going. What's up? Is it the number? Well, it's slow and then it picked up speed.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you gave it a like. To see more content like this, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever a new video is posted.